In this video, I will show you how to add separate captions to each photo in an Instagram carousel. First, launch open the Instagram app. Now make sure to log into your account. Then you want to tap on the plus icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, you want to select the option of Post. Now tap on the Select option. From here, select multiple photos, then tap on Next. From here, you can edit your photos. After that is done, tap on Next. Now, if your account has the new caption feature, then you simply want to tap on Add a Caption option. Here you have this drop down that says single caption or multiple caption. Select multiple captions. Now enter caption for the first photo. After that is done, you want to swipe and get to the second photo. Now enter the caption over here as well. Do this for all the photos in your carousel. After you are done, you can tap on the OK option. Now check if the captions are added. Once you're happy, you can simply tap on the share option. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.